What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the BurnDown YouTube channel. I wanted to jump on here really quick, first and foremost, and thank everybody that pre-ordered my fan holder. I'd also like to thank all my buddies on YouTube that we sent these out to, that ordered them, that have used them and actually made videos and said how they liked them, quality of it, and such. It's easy for me to jump up and down and tell you guys that it is awesome and show you stuff, but I think it's a lot better coming from somebody else versus the guy that's responsible. In my honest opinion, these things are rad, and I'm bummed my car's wadded up. I don't have to put it on there. But anyway, I digress. We pulled the trigger this morning on the order for the fan kits. So what that means is they will laser out all the flat straps that I will bend into hoops, and then I will take all the arms and punch them through, weld them up, and then I will take those over to warperformance.com. Jason will work his magic. They make all the pigtails and leads, bag it all up, send it to you guys with the hardware, everything you need to get this bad boy installed, minus the fan. So if you did pre-order, what I would say is get your fan coming from Rock Auto or wherever you're going to order it from, or go to the junkyard and scavenge them, however you're going to take care of that portion. So that way when this bad boy shows up, you're not waiting on another piece or part. So you do have a little bit of time. The laser house is a 2-week turn time is what they give me. Now that the order is in, they have to take the payment, order material, and then they schedule me obviously in their production line so they can cut my files after they get the material and everything in. If it gets done a little sooner, it gets done a little sooner. I will keep you guys posted here. I will drop another video like this when I actually receive the order. We can kind of look at it together because I think that's pretty cool. You can see what I actually get when I order this from Fire Blast. They are awesome. And then I will do little short videos on Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, keep track, and then I'll do like stories and an hour a day stuff, and you guys will watch me drowned in hoops and welding these things up and stacking them. I don't even know where we're going to put these. We got a decent order this time. We did a double order, so I'm pretty excited about that. So we're getting double the quantity that we ordered for the very first batch that are already running around in the wild. So that is it. Thank you to everybody. If you don't know what this is and you are curious, please head on over to warperformance.com and check it out. I will show you and explain it really quick if you sat through the whole video and are wondering. This is a universal fan holder, fan motor holder for a 15 to 20 Chevy Silverado. If you head on over to warperformance.com, they have the part numbers that actually fit this. So the fan motor fits in here. We supply you with the universal fan holder. It has 4 mounting points on it. You mount this to your shroud. It mounts the fan motor in. We give you the wiring. We give you all the hardware and everything you need to buy that fan, plug it into here, stick it on your shroud, on your radiator, and cool the hell out of your vehicle. Specs, sizes, all that stuff are over there again on warperformance.com. So please go check it out. If you ordered one, you're a rock star, and I cannot wait for you to get it in your hands. And we need to get some more reviews on these things. So you can go on YouTube as well. We'll leave some links to videos. If you're wondering what it looks like and how people that have got these, the early guys got these and how they like them, big shout out to all you guys. Thank you for your opinions on that. And I didn't pay anybody to say anything nice, so that's even better. You guys know what to do. I'm going to get after it. We got a bunch of work to go and do. I just wanted to jump in front of here, let you know that the orders are placed, so everything, the ball is rolling. Thank you guys again. I'm out.